Hey friends, welcome to VisaView Learners channel, where learning is an adventure. To grow and develop more a view of a Visa, please like, share, press the bell icon and subscribe for more such projects. Thank you. Geosphere. The Earth itself. Welcome explorers. Earth is a unique and complex planet that supports life and civilization. But what makes Earth so special? One of the answers is the geosphere, the system that includes all the solid and molten rocks, soils, and sediments. The geosphere is not only the foundation of our planet, but also the source of many natural resources, hazards, and phenomena that affect our lives and environment. In this video, we are going to make a presentation on the geosphere, the layers of the Earth and the tectonic plates. If you want to know basic details of our planet Earth, follow my recent uploaded video, our tour to our planet Earth. Here, the link is there. You can follow the link and watch it. Do not forget to subscribe. What is geosphere? Geosphere refers to the solid part of the Earth, including the rocks, minerals, landforms, and the processes that shape them. In this presentation, we will explore the Earth's layers and how the plates of the Earth move. The layers of the Earth. The Earth is divided into three main layers, namely the crust, the mantle, and the core. Understanding the different layers of the Earth helps us learn about what the Earth is made of, how it is structured, and how it behaves. Earth's crust. The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. It is the thinnest layer, ranging from about 5 to 70 kilometers in thickness. The crust can be further divided into two types: continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust. The continental crust is the thicker layer of the Earth's crust that is found under the continents. It is about 35 kilometers thick on average. Oceanic crust. The oceanic crust is the thinner layer of the Earth's crust that is found under the ocean basins. It is about 7 kilometers thick on average. Earth's mantle. The mantle is the layer beneath the Earth's crust. It is the thickest layer, extending from the base of the crust to a depth of approximately 2,900 kilometers. The mantle can be divided into an upper and lower layer. Upper mantle. The upper mantle is relatively rigid and contains the asthenosphere, a semi-fluid layer that allows the movement of tectonic plates. Lower mantle. The solid lower mantle contributes to the overall convection and heat transfer within the Earth's interior. Earth's core. The core is the innermost layer of the Earth, situated beneath the mantle. It is divided into two distinct regions, the outer core and the inner core. Outer core. The outer core is a liquid layer composed mainly of molten iron and nickel. It has a thickness of about 2,300 kilometers. Inner core. The inner core is the solid, central part of the Earth. It has a radius of about 1,220 kilometers and is composed of solid iron and nickel. Now, we will move forward to tectonic plates. What are tectonic plates? The Earth's crust is divided into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are divided into three boundaries which floats on the semi-fluid mantle below them. The three types of plate boundaries are divergent plate boundaries, convergent plate boundaries, transform plate boundaries. We will see further how these three boundaries work. Divergent boundaries. At divergent boundaries, plates move away from each other. This movement results in the creation of new crust as magma rises from the mantle, solidifies, and forms new oceanic crust. Divergent boundaries are responsible for the continuous reshaping and formation of Earth's crust. On land, divergent plate boundaries create rift valleys. The crust in these areas stretches and thins, causing the land to sink and create a valley. Magma from the mantle can rise to the surface, leading to volcanic activity. Convergent boundaries. Convergent boundaries are places where tectonic plates collide or come together. When two plates meet, their interactions can result in various geological phenomena. Convergent boundaries contribute to the formation of mountains, volcanic activity, and earthquakes. When two continental plates collide, neither plate is subducted due to their low density. Instead, the two plates compress and crumple, creating highly folded and uplifted mountain ranges. Transform boundaries. Transform boundaries occur when two plates slide past each other horizontally. The movement along these boundaries can cause earthquakes as the plates grind against each other. Transform boundaries redistribute stress and accommodates the movement between neighboring plates. Unlike convergent or divergent boundaries, there is no creation or destruction of crust at transform boundaries. The plates simply grind against each other horizontally. Here are the brief definitions of all three boundaries. Thank you for watching the presentation. Hope this will be helpful for your projects.